Hidden beneath the massive industrial production of sweet tropical mango juice lies an incredible secret, an immense volume
Aerials, collecting tons of wet, fibrous, discarded mango pits. The facility perfectly rescues the nutrient-dense material, holding immense natural lipids and intensely nourishing butters hidden deep inside their hard shells. These wet Arriving at an expansive sunlit greenhouse facility, the massive heavy trucks deliver the wet, sticky pits entirely, leaving the industrial sector behind.
Taking absolute control of the raw material, our dedicated processing teams, dressed impeccably in pastel yellow, utilizing highly ventilated wire mesh racks, the expert workers meticulously spread the wet, sticky agents.
Examining the perfectly spread material reveals an unbelievably wet and sticky, fibrous shell, Completely abandoning harsh industrial ovens, the facility harnesses the immense natural power of the sun, allowing stretching endlessly across the sun-drenched facility. Millions of discarded mango pits have been miraculous meats. Diving into a highly tactile verification, the expertly gloved workers aggressively rustle the heavy shells, instantly confirming the Tindrit. Utilizing incredibly high-speed automated conveyor belts, the bone-dry mango pits are meticulously fed in absolute perfect, relying on masterful industrial engineering. Incredibly fast, heavy steel rollers flawlessly crack the brittle woody shells, executing perfect destructive pressure. Executing a flawless extraction, the devastating mechanical rollers completely shatter the armor, entirely revealing an absolutely breathtaking array of perfectly intact, incredibly rich, bright white mango kernels.
With absolute masterful precision, the chaotic shattered mixture violently lands upon a massive high-speed vibration table, perfectly, completely, entirely, flawlessly, utilizing extreme mechanical
A massive, heavy-duty pneumatic vacuum is aggressively perfectly engaged, utilizing extreme negative pressure to violently
Executing a flawless, luxurious cascade to gather the pure cosmetic core, the kernels completely fill the pristine stainless steel vat, ready for its final hydraulic pressing phase.
Flawlessly transferring the pristine, isolated kernels into the extraction wing, and the massive, heavy vats arrive.
Executing absolute physical precision, our expertly uniformed processing teams violently manually feed the completely pure white kernels directly into the massive steel hopper,
entirely securing the delicate botanical enzymes. The massive, violent hydraulic screws meticulously, completely crush the solid,
completely forced entirely through the heavy steel matrix. The breathtakingly rich, thick, highly viscous, pale yellow, unrefined raw mango butter
Diving into extreme macro detail, our expert chemists aggressively verify the internal temperature distribution, ensuring
with absolute mathematical perfection. The hot liquid butter is aggressively forced through ultra-fine Micron silk filters,
transitioning to the ultimate luxury high-fashion clarity. The entire premium batch is violently and aggressively, completely, perfectly, entirely, totally pure.
Completely entirely stripped of its agricultural origins, the incredibly beautiful, flawless, bright golden oil, seamless
shaves. Flawlessly purified and filtered, the pure botanical mango oil is rigorously visually inspected, entirely perfectly confirmed.
For the absolute ultimate nourishing blend, precision digital pumps inject exact measurements of natural vitamin E oils. Flawlessly continuing the infusion phase, the incredibly rich jojoba oil is aggressively pumped completely, perfectly, entirely into the mangosis. Diving into extreme macro detail, the hot golden mango oil and the rich melted shea butter effortlessly but violently blend. Legits. Moving at impossible speeds, the heavy industrial whips aggressively force massive volumes of air into the mango base.
Relying on masterful human touch, our expert chemists verify the absolute structural perfection.
Moving at impossible speeds, heavy high-density foam rollers aggressively press the minimalist waterproof labels onto the amber glass.
Flawless in a breathtaking moment of precision engineering. A high-powered laser violently
marching in absolutely perfect, identical synchronization, the fully sealed, heavily branded amber jars represent the absolute pinnacle of zero-waste manufacturing. Moving into the hands of artisanal packers, every single heavy amber glass jar is meticulously wiped down, ensuring absolutely achieving a signature tactile finish. Our artisanal packers violently pull thick cotton drawstrings, perfectly sealing the completely transcending its incredible zero-waste botanical origins, the finished masterpiece absolutely commands attention.
Executing a final, flawless, luxurious reveal, the elegant South Asian woman peels the pristine gold foil. Transitioning to the ultimate luxury high-fashion physical application, the entire premium white cream is violently and aggressively completely perfectly showcased, directly highlighting the heavy, fluffy peak. Completely transcending its incredible zero-waste botanical origins, the finished masterpiece absolutely commands attention as the elegant East Asian woman violently entirely rubs the fluffy white cream perfectly flush, revealing the absolutely
completely transcending its zero-waste botanical origins, the finished masterpiece absolutely
the incredible sustainable power of upcycled mango pits, completing the flawless luxury message.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tool. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure original visual and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visual and real footage.